Hello viewer, how you are? Hope well. Today I will show you how to make pattern for pants. Use only waist measurement. So today I will make 32 waist. Watch and stay with me. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Click bell icon button for next video. Measurements: medium feet waist 32, hip 6 inch bigger than waist, length as you need. I give 38. Waist 32 plus 6 inch, hip 38. Thigh cross length we find after making pattern. Leg opening 6. Now I start pattern drafting. First front part, front waistline. How to calculate cross length or high. Hip is 38 divided by hip 38 divided by 4, 9.5 inch cross length including waistband. We mark 9.5 inch thigh line. Now front thigh, hip 38 divided by 3, 12.58, less 1 cm, 12.38. This is front thigh, 12.38 front thigh. Here we calculate front cross width. How to? Working a scale 18 inch divided by 8 quarter inch less 1 cm, 178 front hook width or front cross width. Front body rise line. Now hip position. How to calculate hip position? Hip is 38 divided by 12, 318 inch hip position from cross line. This is hip line. Half inch in mark for body front rise line, front body frock line, front rise line, 3 quarter inch down. This is standard. It is 32 divided by 4, 8 inch, 1 inch seam margin, 9 inch. Front body hip line, pocket opening 1.5 inch at waistband seam, 6.5 inch at side seam, pocket cross line. Body crease line, front body crease line, 12.5 inch divided by 2, 6.25 and take 6.75 inch from edge. Front body crease line, front waistline, half inch seam margin, pant length 38 including 1.5 inch waistband, 1.5 inch waistband height, 1.5 inch length including waistband. For pant length 38 half inch plus 1.5 inch bottom seam margin. Bottom line, pant bottom line 1.5 inch seam margin. Leg opening 16 inch divided by 2, 8 inch. Front leg opening 8 inch. Now knee position, cross point divided by 2, 14, 2 inch less, 12 inch. Knee line, knee position. Now in seam line, front cross to bottom opening, 3/4 inch in mark, front in seam line. Knee to front cross point in seam line, in seam and out seam line, same marking, out seam. Pant front part marking finish. Now cutting. Now back part making. Front same, side line marking for back part. Front bottom side marking for back part. 1.5 inch adding for back in seam line, 1.5 inch adding for back in seam. Back cross width, front cross width before I measure 178 inch plus 38. 2/4 inch back cross width from front cross width. Half inch down back cross point from front cross point. Back in seam half inch shorter than front. Back in seam line, knee to back cross point. Back in seam line, knee to front bottom and back bottom line. Back body rise line 1.5 inch up mark for back rise, back body rise. Back waistline, waist 32 divided by 8, waist 32 divided by 4, 8 inch, 1 inch, dot 1 inch seam margin, 10 inch back hip line at side seam, back front line, body rise line, back body rise line, 10 half 5 inch, back pocket position making 2.5 below from waist seam, back pocket opening 5/4 inch, back pocket weld height half inch, back pocket dart, back waist dart deep 38 half, one is back rise extension, back rise seam margin, back pocket opening, back waist dart, back rise seam allowance 1 inch extension, back rise, back body rise height, back part drawing finish, back part cutting, front part, back part, nose mark for bottom hemming, nose mark at knee, nose mark back dart, waist dart, nose mark center back line, body waistline measurement 8 inch front, 32 half inch waist plus. Now hip measurement 938, 38 half inch plus, 11/4, 25 thigh, cross length, back waist 1.5 inch, front waist 1.5 inch, 3 inch total, 3 inch less for waistband, body cross length, body front rise, (26 inch) body cross length. Finally, measurement length 38, waist 32, hip 38, thigh 25, front rise or cross length 26 half, leg opening 16 inch. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Click bell button icon for next video.